What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will teach you how to solve videos on Telegram not playing error. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, if you send a video and play it and it's not loading, it's just there and you can't play it, this is how you're going to solve it. So first of all, you just need to go to your settings, then under settings, go to app management, then go to app list, then search for a Telegram account or Telegram app. I mean, and after you're there, just go to storage usage, then clear your data and cache. That's how you're going to do it. Also, you will need to force stop your Telegram and also uninstall it, then reinstall it again, then after you install it, log into your account and the videos should be okay, and that's it. That's how you're going to do it. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.